Do you want a free Tesla Powerwall? I cannot believe this program's available. I just learned about it. I want to pass it on to you guys. But basically, PG&E has this residential storage initiative, RSI they call it. It's a limited time program. Only certain people qualify. You've got to be in an area that's really prone to power outages. Yeah. You've probably all been annoyed a little bit by this kind of high wind advisory where they got to cut off power for fire safety. We don't want to have these big wildfires, so it's important, but it's annoying to lose your power.
Yeah.
So what are they doing? They're trying to put less stress on the grid and installing some of these battery backup systems in homes so that there's less draw on the grid, and people also have some power for days or hours at their home when the power goes out. So Tom Murrock here, who's our newest agent on the team, but also is a solar expert, and this is his gig. He's sells these systems, he knows about them, and he can tell us a little bit about what we got here, right? So we got a whole Tesla battery wall here, right?
Yeah, you've got probably $10,000 worth of equipment that you're going to get for free through the Residential Storage Initiative.
Okay.
This is the battery. That's actually the gateway, the brains, the distribution center for where the electricity is going to go. But it's all stored here, and $10,000 worth of battery, but the installation is far more than that. So it's really a great value to get these through the initiative.
That program, sure.
And in general, it's nice to have battery backup if you're going to live in the Santa Cruz Mountains. There are a lot of days without power. I mentioned earlier, we were talking 100-year storm last year. My house, which is close, but in the mountains as well, 15 days maybe of power outage. That's an abnormal year, but it just shows what could be possible. And this is going to get you through 7 hours, probably minimum, if you know that you're camping at home and you turn off all the electricity and all the major appliances and you've got a light and your internet going. Hey, you might be able to go for a day or beyond just with one of these. And so it's definitely a great resource. And you can daisy chain and put a generator on the back end of it too if you're getting into your 3 and 4 day outages. That's all something you can do as well. But this is a great starting point. This is like, okay, power just went out, but I'm still functional. Now what do we do?
So check all that out. That's super cool. And they will have the link to the PG&E website. See if you qualify. It's a limited time, so you want to jump in, see if you do. Yes, Tom.
I just wanted to mention, you don't need solar necessarily. Like, this is going to store electricity from the grid, but when the grid goes down, PG&E service shuts down, this takes over. So you don't have to have solar to do it. Yeah. So be aware of that.
Yeah, if you just need the battery backup, you don't want to deal with the solar expense yet, it's a good option. But if you do have some questions about solar, reach out to us. We've got all the information here. Tom's, licensed, certified, whatever you want to call it. I mean, he's the guy that does all this stuff when it comes to solar, and he's also your real estate expert here in the Santa Cruz Mountains. So reach out to us, whether it's a phone call, text, or email away. Make it a great day.